Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Come back with me, I'm Nurjannah. Here I wanna provide, explain, and demonstrate how to integrate technology in the classroom activity. So before I integrate or in the process of integrating, I make the lesson plan that derive from Bloom Digital Taxonomy. And I use English textbook for grade 7. That is when English rings a bell to get the topic. So I choose the topic, which is identity. So you can find it in the textbook. And the skills here, I choose speaking and reading skill. Why speaking? Because I use Flipgrid application that relates about speaking, and then reading skill. In reading, why reading? Because they will read several information about identity in the internet. And the objective, I hope my students will be able to explain their identity, including name, place of origin, and home address. So in the end, they will make a video and then upload in the Flipgrid application. In teaching materials, I already uploaded in the Flipgrid application. So here's the video. In the first video, I greet my students who already joined the class via Flipgrid. Here's the introduction. In the second video, I explain what will they do in the online class here. And the last video, I give the material, which is the slide that consists of the objective of the lesson, an example of the introduction, including name, place of origin, and home address. And in this video, in assignment video, I'm not just giving the slide, but I explain to my students about the difference between the place of origin and home address. Okay, in the learning objective, in the learning activity, I grade my students. It is in the class, and then I explain the application first, such as the name, function, and features, the Flipgrid application. And I demonstrate the application in front of the class. So after they download the app, they will have a basic knowledge of the application. After that, I ask the students to download this app on their phone, so they will download the app in the classroom. And I ask my students to join by type the code given by me. After the students successfully download the app, the teacher or me ask my students to open it. And in remembering activity, I will use word app application. So in the application, they will get some word. So they can list the new word they got, such as here, violet. Click learn, and they will get the definition hancur, gagal. That is in Indonesian. Or in verb, violet is to go against, or refuse to obey, allow, or an agreement, and etc. So they can write the violet and the definition in word application. So they can write in here violet and the definition. In understanding activity, the students will interpret the information about identity using Google. So they will search here what is identity. They will find the meaning, and they will make a summary of identity and type it in the word app. And in applying activity, the students will do a question and answer with the teacher, with me, using Zoom or WhatsApp video call to develop their understanding about identity. and they might use PowerPoint to show the information they got about it. So here in the Zoom, we will do a question and answer, and if they don't know or don't understand about something, they can directly ask me. And in analyzing, the students or my students can survey the meaning of place of origin and home address in the online dictionary. They can choose whether they want to use Oxford Dictionary or Merriam-Webster Dictionary. So they will come back to Chrome, and here in Merriam-Webster, they will get a definition or meaning of it. The place where something is made or created. That is for place of origin. In evaluating activity, the students can make the draft of the video about their identity video and send it via Instagram. So here, they upload the video and it will appear here in their profile. So I can monitoring and commenting on their video to evaluate their progress. And I can use email to send the feedback to them here. And in creating activity, based on my feedback, my students can modify or develop the final video using the app that the teacher or I provided, such as FIFA Video, Filmorego, KineMaster, or Flipgrid itself. So here they can use KineMaster or InShot. And after that, after they edit the video, they submit the video on Flipgrid. So they submit the final video here. Okay, so it will appear here. And in the end, I will assess my students' video using speaking rubric. So there will be point for the video they made. Okay, I think that is the explanation of how to integrate technology in the classroom activity. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.